In this video, you will learn how to fix Linkvertise loading problem. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch to Wi-Fi or mobile data if you need to. Clear browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings and clear browsing data. Select cookies and clear cache items and files. Clear and then restart your browser. Use. Make sure to use incognito or private mode. Open a link in incognito. This will avoid interference from extensions or cached data. Disable ad blockers on VPNs. Linkvertise may not work with ad blockers or VPNs enabled. Make sure to turn them off temporarily, then refresh the page. Try a different browser or device. If you're still stuck on that one browser, try using Chrome, Firefox or Safari. You can also switch to a different mobile device or even another device. Complete all Linkvertise steps properly. Follow the required steps, such as read articles, install extensions, etc. Then, wait for the timer to finish before clicking continue. Now you know how to fix Linkvertise loading problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.